Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Pink color, yellow color, dark green color, purple color, red color, sky blue color, light pink color, white color, sea green color, orange color, brown color, blue color, black color, light green color. Now let's learn 1, 2, 3 numbers. Red color 1. Dark green color 2. Yellow color 3. Sea green color 4. Orange color 5. Black color 6. Pink color 7. Brown color 8. Blue color 9. Light green color 1, 0, 10. Sky blue color 1, 1, 11. Light pink color 1, 2, 12. Purple color 1, 3, 13. Red color 1, 4, 14. Dark green color 1, 5, 15. Yellow color 1, 6, 16. Sea green color 1, 7, 17. Orange color 1, 8, 18. Black color 1, 9, 19. Pink color 2, 0, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye kids.